Here we are, CES 2026, and it's given us our first chance to take a look at Samsung's amazing new Trifold. Samsung's already had a lot of success in the market with their Fold devices. The Fold 7 in particular, released last year, was, in my opinion, one of the phones of the year, but they've taken it a step further with this new Trifold. So it's the same 6.5-inch screen on the front, but then opens up to reveal this magnificent 10-inch display, basically a foldable tablet that you can put in your pocket. And with this 10-inch screen, you can also multitask. You can actually have up to 3 different apps running on the screen at the same time. You can even arrange them how you want. So you'll see you can actually arrange them side by side, which is the equivalent of having 3 phones alongside each other. But then when you're ready, you can fold it back up and looks pretty much like a regular phone. There is obviously slight bulk to the phone, having 3 panels in here, but it is actually thinner than I imagined. When I first heard of it, I'm thinking, well, it may be a little bit chunky, but I've got to say, I'm surprised at how thin and light the device is. Now, this year's going to be a big year for foldables. We know there's huge rumours that Apple is entering the foldable market, but guess what? Samsung's been in the foldable game for a decade, and this is a demonstration of just how far their technology has gone with this new Trifold. It's only been released so far in Korea, in the UAE and Singapore, soon to be released in the US and hopefully in Australia as well.